Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna, BC, Canada, in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2019 Toyota Corolla CE. Power for this Corolla comes from a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. From the side, we've got the contrasting black trim, along with color-matched door handles and mirrors, and moving around to the front, we're going to find a large raked windshield, which gives you awesome visibility. So let's hop inside and see what the interior has to offer. Moving around to the back, that contrasting black trim continues back here. We also have our Toyota and Corolla badging, and inside we've got a ton of trunk room. This Corolla also comes with a full set of winter tires, so changing seasons will be a lot easier. Thank you very much for taking the time to look over this 2019 Toyota Corolla CE with me. If you want to see it for yourself, come on down and visit us at 1624 Carey Road here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this car and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon. So jumping inside, if we take a look at the door panel over here, we're going to find our power mirrors, and right on there is our power locks and windows. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our audio controls, and over here on the right, we've got our hands-free Bluetooth calling, as well as our quick button for our lane departure alert and forward collision mitigation system, and down here is your adaptive cruise control. If we move on over to the center console, we've got an AM/FM stereo with a CD player as well as Bluetooth, and you can go in there and customize a bunch of settings to have everything show up exactly how you like it. Moving down is our electronic climate control with air conditioning, and right down here, we're going to find our USB and auxiliary power inputs. Our traction control is also right there. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back.